Hi everyone, my name is Monica Collins, and today I'm going to be talking about the ISTE standards for teachers. For those who do not know, ISTE stands for International Society for Technology and Education. This came around 1979 when a group of educators came together and were talking about what-if questions. What if this? What if that? And then boom, a vision. What if we gave students the tools needed that would allow them to take charge of their learning? And this powerful tool was technology. They wanted a movement because they believed in the potential that educational technology could have. It isn't about the technology. It's about changing the way learning and teaching takes place to make it more meaningful and impactful to students and teachers. Now I'm going to go through the 5 standards for teachers. The first one is facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity. Teachers need to take what they know about the subject and make it into both face-to-face and this virtual world. We have to be there because we are the ones that must be able to challenge the students while fostering this new digital culture, so the students will buy in and want to use technology. The next one is design and develop digital age learning experience and assessments. Education is not a one-size-fits-all. Teachers have to design and develop multiple tests, quizzes, and assessments that cover all the standards. And with technology, what they're going to be able to do is start making changes. They're going to be able to accommodate to students. The third one is model digital age and work learning. We have to show that we know what we're talking about, that we're professional in this new global and digital society. We have to be able to collaborate, be willing to open up and talk about our practices to other staff and students and even the parents. For our 4th standard, we have promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility. As teachers, we need to know the ethical and legal practices. There's a fine line that we cannot step over. And as a teacher, we have to instill that in the kids as well. They have to know what is right and what is wrong with the technology given to them in the classroom. This new virtual world, it's new. They have to learn. And 5th, engage in professional growth and leaderships. We have to continuously grow in this digital world with it. We have to be able to become a leader and be able to collaborate with other people. We have to tell them about our findings. We have to want to learn more about their findings as well. We have to contribute to this digital virtual society. So the standard that I would present in my classroom, what it would look like would be probably engaging in professional growth and leadership because, like I said, being a lifelong learner is key. And with this new virtual world, there's always new things that are going to be coming up. I want to share what I find with people. I want people to share with me what they have found. And I want to instill that in the students, that this isn't just a one-time thing. This is a thing that's going to take continual growth from students, teachers, and even parents. Thank you for listening to my podcast about the ISTE standards for teachers, and I hope you enjoyed.